Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN Finance, or YFI, currently ranked at 135 with a market cap of about $306 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about 463, and today we would be looking at the technical analysis, the price prediction, and our price action right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So as you can see, in the last 24 hours, we are down about 40%, right? Wow, that's basically a very huge move right here for our YFI. We're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? So basically, we saw in one day YFI, right, gave back all the gains we saw in let's say 2 days, right? So that huge 40% which we saw into the upside, it gave back everything in 48 hours, or probably 24 hours, right? And this was what I was warning yesterday. I said, do not FOMO. You remember I was saying, so far the 4 hourly candle, for you guys that watched the video, the title of that video was prepare for impact, right? Gaze for impact, right? So I said, so far prices do not close above these 15,272. Do not buy, right? A lot of people FOMOed and they got burned. A lot of people that are with it, as you can see, I saw some of your comments. As you can see, congratulations. I know you did not FOMO in. I told you, right? So far we do not close above these 15,272. Price is not bullish, and we could see a retracement, even though we were expecting a retracement into this $12,000 level. As you can see, currently we saw that huge dump even into the $9,000 level. I did not expect this. I was expecting the 12,500, or at worst we could see the $10,000 level, right? But as you can see, basically it just shows you that you should not FOMO. I put up a post, do not FOMO, on the channel, saying that when a coin is gone, we were buying YFI right there at basically the $5,000 level right here on the channel, right? 5,000, 4,000. We wrote this move to the upside, and we said our first target right here on the channel was the 10,000. Our second target right here was the 12,000. We exceeded all our targets for November, even went gone as high as the 15,000, right? And I was saying in the last video, I write prepare for impact, right? We said if prices do not close above this level, then that looks bearish, and we could return back to the 12,300. And as you can see, we even went more down, and currently we are at $9,000, right? So what is next, right? We said so far prices are still above these 200 EMA. Prices are still bullish. Yeah, we might have seen that huge push to the downside, but as you can see, we could still recover this candle right back down there to the $10,000 level. So if you might have FOMOed, just be patient, right? We could still see price still push back even to the upside, as the price of YFI is still bullish, right? Because this was one of the reasons that made us very bullish, right? Buying right there at the $5,000, $4,000 level was when we saw this 50 EMA crossed the 200 EMA. As you can see, currently prices are still above the 200 EMA, which means prices are still bullish. So what we are expecting is we could see the price come like this, come to this upside, and see that huge push to the upside, right? So YFI is still bullish. We just have to give it some time and see YFI crawl back to the upside, right? So we could still see a very huge push to the upside, but just remember, prices always move from level to level to level, right? I warned you right here yesterday. I said if we do not see a 4 hourly candle close above this $5,000 level, you want to take profit. And as you can see, we saw that push to the downside right here. So basically the update is still there, right? That we are still bullish, right? As you can see, the 200, we got exactly to the 200 EMA, right? And so we should still be expecting, right, a slow grind to the upside, right? So that's the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.